Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Watch 1 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the MyFitness, I believe it is MyFitness, My Health application on default. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the My Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Let me actually reopen it. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on devices, and here you should see your INFINIX Watch 1 on the list or device page basically. And under it you will see the dial center. You can tap on more. It will open the I would call it watch face store, or maybe not store, but basically you have access to more watch faces you can download. So find the watch face you would like to use. Let's open the category maybe sports. Once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it, and then you can tap on download, and then you can tap on apply and wait until the watch face is going to be applied on our watch. And here we have it. And you can download multiple watch faces, and once you're done and you want to change between them, you can go back to the dial center, tap on mine, and here we have the list of downloaded watch faces, and you can simply tap on one and tap on apply to apply it. Maybe not the same one as we did before, maybe this one. Okay, and as you can see, the watch face was applied, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.